Greetings and good morning. This is Mr. Taylor and welcome to the second week of Dynamix 802 online. I'm going to give you a brief presentation of the learning opportunity this week, and you can use this resource throughout the week as it will be posted on our Dynamix 802 online webpage. Remember, it's not where you start, it's where you finish, and we had a really good start to our Dynamix online learning last week, and I hope that continues this week and on through the rest of the year. So in humanities, you're going to choose your challenges, stay organized, stay healthy, and let's all be optimistic. So this is the schedule for the week. If you notice, we start every day with the YouTube live stream. Today might go a little bit longer. We're going to review the weekly plan. There's going to be a couple response surveys that you need to complete after I get done speaking to you in the YouTube live stream. I'm going to ask you to create a schedule and a goal, and then think about your independent reading. You have science from 10 to 11. The boilers meet at 10 o'clock, the tappers meet at 10:30, and then at 11 o'clock we have a green team meeting, which should be pretty short. We're also going to start hopefully some gaming sessions this week. I have a survey that you need to complete in order to get involved with those gaming sessions, but we'll go over those in more detail during the live stream. Also, if you notice over here on the right on Friday, these are the things that I'd like you to have completed by the end of the week if it's possible. To have your goal and schedule submitted, to have a response to Chapter 4 of the Odyssey, to be reading every day and journaling every day, and then to send me an email at the end of the week letting me know how you're doing. So that's about the gist of it for the week. And don't forget, also on Friday, we have our first Dynamix 802 virtual race series where you can choose a 1 mile, 3K, or 5K distance and run, walk, bike, skateboard, or rollerblade. So some of the learning opportunities for the week and the badges you can earn. We have an organization certificate. This is organization number 2. You'll receive this by creating a schedule and setting a goal for the week. And Monday or Tuesday during your humanities time in the morning after the live stream, this is probably the time that you want to create that schedule and set that goal for the week. We'll also be watching the Chapter 4 of the Odyssey, and if you watch that video, listen, respond to the reading, I'm going to have some comprehension questions for you, and then you're also going to complete Chapter 4 on your illustrated study guide or your sketch notes. And again, that should probably take place on Wednesday or Thursday during your language arts time. You can also earn a physical activities 2 badge by competing in the Dynamix 802 virtual race series or submitting a picture of you engaged in outdoor activity, walking, hiking, just playing outside. We want to make sure that we're all being healthy this week and not spending too much time in front of a screen. And then again, encouraging people to take time Friday afternoon to compete in the Dynamix 802 virtual race series. And there's a link in the presentation that you can send your results in. We already have an exemplar. One of our fellow students biked 5K in 16 minutes and 30 seconds. So he has a time to beat on Friday, and I'm hopeful that he's going to compete in our virtual race series. This is awesome. Now, when students are doing or making the extra effort or going the extra mile, we have a special certificate that we'll give to them. It's the Dynamix 802 Extra Effort, and this is for kids who are just making a difference through their efforts and trying hard to compete. So that's what we like to see, and I appreciate that. And we have given out 4 of those last week, which I talked about in our live stream. Just some reminders that you should probably be trying to read 45 minutes a day. Here's a link to your trimester 3 reading log. Also your writing. You should be journaling or writing for at least 25 minutes per day. There's a journal writing template that I've linked in the slideshow. And don't forget also, I'll give you a graphic organizer so that you can send me an email at the end of the week. If you need any help, you can click on any of these links below. You can go to the Dynamix 802 online class. You can click on the website over here, or in particular, if you need to, don't hesitate ever to email me and let me know if you have any questions. All right. I think that's it for the week, and I look forward to speaking with every one of you, and I'm looking forward to continuing our learning. All right, have a great week, everybody. Take care.